What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you're coming back, welcome back. This morning we're at Rigs to Rods once again in Princeton, Minnesota, and it is time for cams. Here we go. So the cams are finished. It's still a little dirty underneath the hood, and by dirty I mean mostly dusty. As you can see, the custom valve covers are on. They look nice, just a little splash of color underneath the hood, and really I don't think you're going to get in close enough to notice the little screw-ups that I did while painting them. So there you go, there's the custom valve covers. And as you might be able to tell, I've moved away from my house. to make this particular video. The other week, just trying to figure out the idle with the new cams on the IAC, one of my neighbors came out and yelled at me. God forbid it was a Tuesday afternoon at like 3:30, you know, but I was making too much noise for a Tuesday afternoon. Whatever, I'm not about to fight it. So we're here in town, but at a business that is closed on this particular day to do the exhaust video. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm going to start it up. I'm gonna let you hear the idle in park. I'm gonna let you hear the idle in gear, and then we're gonna do some revs so that you can hear. It's gonna be mostly the same on revs as it has in the past, but we're gonna do it anyway so you guys can hear everything with the new Todd Warren cams. You may have picked up on it, and it may not be as noticeable on the video. However, you may have noticed a little bit of a rattling. It sounded like it was probably coming from the exhaust, and that's because it is coming from the exhaust. One of my total flow mufflers has already, it seems like, given up the ghost. The construction guys seemed like it was really good on the outside, but if I had to make an educated guess, that's probably the baffling or the perforated pipe on the inside that has given up the ghost or had a weld go bad or something. So that's going to be addressed next season. I'm not going to worry about it before winter this year. But I think what's going to happen is I'm kind of intrigued by the Black Widow exhaust. And I'm intrigued by the, ironically, neighbor haters, which are like maybe a 6-inch muffler. They might be a little bit more than that, maybe 9-inch, I forget. But I've been looking at those. That might be something for next year. Anyway, thank you again for watching, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the videos if you guys are looking for more awesome Panther content or just race content, car content, stuff like that in general. And if you're here for the railroad content and happen to have stumbled across one of my car videos, we're glad to have you too. There's going to be some railroad content on the channel coming up this winter. That's primarily when I'm going to be posting the railroad stuff, is when I can't be doing stuff with the cars really. But anyway, thank you again, and as always, and most importantly, have a great day.